Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and before we'll start I just wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically they should disappear after resetting, and all we have to do is to enter the settings, so the 4 dots icon in the left corner, and then enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find reset settings and tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.